Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Office with the error code 0-2048 in Windows computer. Issues might be with corrupted installations packages, system failure, or permissions conflicts, typically yielding error codes to be resolved using troubleshooting. Microsoft Office error code 0-2048 is usually encountered during installations, indicating an error message like Microsoft couldn't install, we couldn't find the specified configurations file, check the file path and the file name with the error code 0-2048. And usual causes are corrupted installations files, lack of permissions, and interfering antivirus program. Then I'll show you numerous solutions to fix this error. So the first solutions that we're going to do is to run the network troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on start menu and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open, and then here at troubleshoots under at options, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click, and again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select this network and internet, and on right side you can say this run and then click, and then we will redirect here at help and support the network troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to follow the step-by-step procedures and method here to fix this error. So you can see this all the permissions, and then you need to follow one by one. And then after here at help and support, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to uninstall any previous Microsoft Office installations. So all you have to do is to open up again on a start menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type control panel, and then you need to click this open. And then once you open up this control panel, and then we need to modify the settings in here at view by category, and then click that arrow and then select large icons to see all settings. And then next step, then you need to select programs and features and then click. And then here at programs and features, so all you have to do is to look for any Microsoft Office versions in the list of installed programs, and then we need to uninstall. Alright, so you need to scroll down and look for Microsoft Office installations or these applications, and then we need to uninstall. So for examples, this is the Microsoft Office, so select and then right click, and then you need to click this uninstall. So after this completing this installations, and then we need to close these programs and features, and then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so after this restarting, and then if the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to run the SFC and Dism scan. So all you have to do is to click again on start menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type a CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and then select run as administrator if you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then we need to type or enter this command keyword sfc space slash scannow. So slash scannow, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So that's why we will do this SFC scan now, because this is the command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. And then we need to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And then next step, then we need to close this CMD. And then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys. So thanks for watching and hopefully this video was helpful to solve Microsoft Office problem to your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out to the latest for Windows tutorial. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.